Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have some new dies that I want to show you. I am guest designing for Erica at Scrap Diva Designs for July, and these are the new dies that are in the release. So I'm so excited to show you all of the dies. Some of them I've already taken out of the package and started working on just because I couldn't wait, but I wanted to wait till July 1st to show you all of the dies that came in. So I will link all of these products down below, and also I have a 10% off coupon code, which is strawberry cream, if you'd like to use that at checkout. Also, I have a referral link down below. If you click on that to get to the website, I get a commission. It's nothing extra to you. It's just part of the sale. So that would be much appreciated. And thank you so much to everybody who uses my link for Scrap Diva Designs, because it definitely helps my channel. So I really, really appreciate that. So let's go on and I'll show you all the dies for this release, and I'll be back at least once a week in the month of July with project shares. So these are all summer themed, which is perfect this time of year. This one I've seen a few people make in sneak peeks, and this one is called the Popsicle Gift Box. It's so cute. It's in the shape of a popsicle, and I think you slide it open or lift the top off. I'm not sure, but this is everything that it comes with. So it makes a really nice size popsicle gift box, and you could put like all sorts of things in here to give to a crafty friend or just to anybody. And there was a really, really cute example on the website. So take a look at that. Again, it'll be linked down below. So super cute. The next one is called the Jellyfish, and this comes with two different size jellyfish pieces. Comes with this bigger one and the smaller one, although they're both on the petite side, which is really great for embellishments. So it comes with, if you could see the cute little face, like little eyelashes and circles that you could use for eyes, either or. You could use them for cheeks or whatever you want. So it comes with the main body. It comes with layering pieces for the tentacles, and then layering pieces for the jellyfish itself. And look, even an eyelet shaped piece to go over the jellyfish. I mean, that has got to be the cutest jellyfish ever, right? So it comes with the bigger one. This one, let me just measure these, just to give you a rough idea of how big they are. So the big one is about 1 3/4 inches long, and then top to bottom, it's about 2 3/8. And then the smaller one, which is just so cute. This one, it has face dies too. This one is about 1 7/8 inches long, and then not even 1.5 inches across, maybe 1 3/8. Yeah. So, so cute. I love jellyfish, like just the shapes of them. Don't like, encountering them at the beach, but, just to look at like this will be super cute. I can't wait to do all the different layers. So there's that one. And next we have the Summer Words #2. Obviously, I've broken into these already. So these words, there's 6 of them, and they come with shadow pieces. Very nice size too, just to give you an idea. Once you cut out the word, just the word, not the shadow, it's a little bit over 1/2 inch, maybe 5/8. So there's the words sunshine. This one is fishing, ice cream, picnic, cocktails, and surfing. So great words for your summer projects. Again, they all come with shadow pieces, really nice script font. The little dots on the eyes are separate. And so you could either use the dots or gems or, whatever you're using in your embellishments. So these cut out really nicely and very easy to put together on the shadows. So love those, love sentiment dies. The next one is called the Zigzag Pinwheel. So this comes with 3 different sizes. This is the small one, the larger one, the medium one, and then the larger one is on the back. So I love making pinwheels. I haven't made them in, probably like a year or so. So I really like the shape of these. They have zigzag edges, and then there's a layering piece that's stitched as well. So I think these are going to be super cute to make up. So I can't really measure these ahead of time because you have to put them together, but stay tuned. I'll definitely come up with projects for these. And, you know, they're in the summer release, but you could use these any time of year. Pinwheels, if you just, you know, use like seasonal specific papers, you can use them whenever, I think. So there's that one. And then this one has been getting a lot of buzz already. I've seen on Instagram and YouTube. This is the Jelly Tote Bag. And it comes with these pieces as well as these. I just couldn't fit them all onto one magnetic sheet. And I do have a little piece stuck in there. You can see I started working on this already. This is so fun, you guys. This makes a really nice size like beach bag. And you cut this out twice. Those are the two side, or you know, the front and back of the beach bag. And then this is the side piece, and these are little glue flaps. And then this is the bottom, and it even comes with a stitch layering piece to go over it, and that hides all your glue flaps. And then this, I think, is just like a you know, a decoration to put on the front. So that's what I was doing. I'll show you in my next video probably. Well, I gotta finish, I'm making a couple of the beach bag projects. So I used this to make like just like a little decoration onto the bag. So this again is called the Jelly Tote Bag. It makes a really nice size bag that is easy to put together too. So really, really fun and retro, and you could jazz this up any way you want. So many possibilities with that. I love this die set. Okay, the next one is called the Flip Flop Mini Album. So it comes with all of these pieces. This is the base of the mini album, so you can see it's a really nice size. The outer piece is, from cut line to cut line, is about 6.5 inches, so it's definitely a good size. And then this way it's 5 1/4 or so. So it'll make a really cute cover when you use all the different decorations, and it even comes with like a little pair of flip-flops too if you just want to use that to decorate your mini album or to use in separate projects. Comes with flower dies too, so I'm looking forward to making this. The flowers you could put just on the, you know, on the top of the straps just to embellish them a little bit, or any kind of embellishments you want to use. So these are stitched, the soles of the flip-flops. This is going to be so fun to put together. So looking forward to that, the Flip-Flop Mini Album. Okay, the next one is called the Mini Heart Shaker Sunglasses. And this comes with 2 different sizes of sunglasses. It comes with this one that's a little bit bigger and the smaller one, although they're both on the small side, which is great for embellishments. The bigger one is about 2 and not even 7/8 inches across. And then top to bottom, it's about 1 1/4. And then the smaller one is not even 2 inches across and 7/8 of an inch top to bottom. And then it comes with the layering pieces for the hearts on the frames of the sunglasses, and you can make them, well, it's called shakers, so you can make them into shakers as well, which would be really fun. But you don't have to, of course, but shakers are always welcome. I know everybody loves shakers, even my brother-in-law, who is as old as me, he loves when I give him shaker cards, so yeah. So anyway, that'll be really fun to play with. Mini Heart Shaker Sunglasses. And then this one I started on, obviously. This one is called the Beach Ball Mini Album. Oh, this is fun. Look at how big this is. This beach ball is 5 1/4 inches. And then this cuts out, when you run this through your die cutting machine, it cuts out 1, 2, 3 sections, so you can paper piece those on top of the base piece and have, like, you know, different colors for different parts of the beach ball. And I love how the top part is a little off center. It really makes it look like a beach ball. So this is a great size. And then it comes with the background piece and then a layering piece. So if you wanted to make it, if I was going to make this into a mini album, I would make the cover, the beach ball, like this. And then the inside pages, I would use this and then this layering piece as well. And then it comes with all of these embellishments too. It comes with a surfboard, so you can layer these or not. And then it comes with this cute little beach umbrella. And then a mini bathing suit too. And this has a layering piece as well, so you can change it up if you want to. How fun, right? So this is a really, really fun die set. I made one project so far with that I'll show you soon, but I'm going to make more definitely because there are so many things you could do with this. All right, the last one I have to share with you is the soda bottle shaker. This one is from a different release. I'll show you that in a second. But this is the soda bottle shaker. And this, oh, I just love this one. I think this is my favorite so far. So this comes with, okay, this is the background piece. And then it comes with a layer that goes on top of that that has an indentation for the bottom of the bottle. And then the top part, which has a frame around it so you can make it into a shaker. So if you wanted to, you could even make this into like a mini album or like a mini tag flip or something. You know, have the shaker being the top and then have the other pages being these two layering pieces if you wanted to, just an idea. And then it comes with this label that goes around the bottle like that. And then a layering piece of a bottle cap, and then two words, one that says soda with the shadow, and this one says cheers. So you could use these as embellishments for all sorts of occasions, not just soda. You can, you know, make like little wine bottles or champagne bottles or something. So, oh, this is so fun. I love the size too. Let me just give you an idea of the size of the biggest piece. And once I have the products or projects all ready to share with you, where's my cut lines? I'll measure them again, but just to give you an idea before you order. 5 5/8 of an inch top to bottom, and then about 2 and not even 2 1/4 across. So great size for embellishments. And then Erica also sent me this, which is currently on sale in her shop. This is, where'd that bow? Oh, this bow is it's from the bathing suit that comes with this. I'm pretty sure it's with that one. This is called the American Flag Butterfly Straw Topper, and this is currently on sale on her website, and it's $7. It used to be $10.50. Really, really cute examples on the website. Looking forward to making these. I think I'll do that this weekend because it's almost 4th of July, so I want to get this put together so I could show you. So those are all of the products in the July 2023 release from Scrap Diva Designs. Again, my coupon code is Strawberry Cream for 10% off. My referral link will be down below in the description box, as well as links to all of these products. So I hope you guys love them. I'd love to see what you make too when you get your dies, if you're gonna purchase any of them. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to make a new playlist on my channel for Scrap Diva Designs projects and unboxings and things like that, so they'll be easier to find. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.